In this video, we will learn or discuss about the things which are highest in the world and longest in the world. First of all, you should memorize all the points, then you should be able to memorize the answers of these points. First point is airport. Second point, railway track. Third point, railway station. Fourth one, city. 5, lake. 6, mountain peak. 7, mountain range. 8, waterfall. 9, plateau. 10, road. 11, village. 12, volcano. 13, capital. 14, highest divorce rate. Four things which are highest in the world are present in China. First one is airport, second one railway track, railway station and the city. Airport, Lhasa Airport, present in Tibet, China. Railway track, Tibet Railway Shanghai, Tibet Railway China. Railway station, Thangula Station, present in Tibet, China, and the highest city in the world, present in Wenchuan, China. Highest lake, present in Titicaca, Bolivia. Highest mountain peak, called Mount Everest, it is present in Nepal. Highest mountain range is Himalayas, Asia. Waterfall is Angel, Venezuela. Highest waterfall, Angel, Venezuela. The highest plateau in the world is Pamyo, Tibet. Highest road is Leh Nobra, Ladakh, region, India. There is a highest village in the world, Andean, Chile. The highest volcano in the world is the Ojos del Salado, Argentina, Chile. The highest capital in the world, La Paz, Bolivia. The highest divorce rate present in Belgium, which is 70%, and the lowest divorce rate present in Chile, which is only 3%.